Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create API key in crypto.com. So first step is open up your crypto.com and then you have to click on this login option. Then log in your account. After that, you will be able to see this screen. From here, you have to click on this profile icon at the top right corner. And after that, this window will appear. From here, you have to click on this email that is showing at right here. Now from this screen, you have to click on this API key tab and then you will be able to see all your API key if you have already created one, or you can click on this create a new IP API key option and then you have to enter the name of your API key and then the 6-digit 2FA code from your authenticator app and then click on create API button. Then you will get your API key in this box. You can click on this copy button and then use this API key however you want. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.